Hey, Richard Abraham here, showing you how I'm going to try to use Google Sheets as my homework log this year. I usually use a paper copy, but it can be cumbersome to remember to bring that from home to school. So if I use Sheets, I'll always have it wherever I go. So the first thing you want to do is bring your cursor down to Create New Spreadsheet. Once that opens up, you can go to the top left to rename your spreadsheet. I'm going to call mine Mr. Abraham's 2015-2016 homework log. And the first thing I do is just put a couple of column titles. So I'll put last name, first name, and I'll leave a space, and this is usually where I'll enter the date. So let's say the first assignment was on September 1st, 2015. And then I'll usually leave this second row to put the title of my assignment. So I'll put the first row as the date and the second row as the title for my assignment. And I'll use the columns, the column A and column B, to put the students' names. So I'll put some students' names here. Okay, so those are my students, and say my first assignment was if they brought their summer reading log, I would go and just check either a yes or a no for each student. That way I can easily track and update which students brought in their reading logs and which didn't. And for any other date, I can just add the new date, say September 2nd was their homework spot assignment, and I could just track whether or not they've brought it in. And that's how I'll be using homework logs this year.